Come on, bro, jump with me. Come on. Wait. Boom. Okay, now we jump. Alright, now I jump. Now you jump. Oh my god. I think we just died. Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And today, I'll show you guys how to create a rope against 2 players. Okay, let's start. So I have my obby right here. You can place anything you want. You can even not place anything. And we're going to create a script in service. Call it test rope. Get your service, player service, game, get service, players. And then what we're going to do is define a rope length, be like 5, and the rope width be the thickness of the rope. Do 0.25. Now, I suggest creating a function. So we're going to create a function. Create rope. Player 1. Player 2. Now inside this function, we'll get the characters of the players. So the character 1 equals player 1. The character or player 1. The character added. Wait. Character added. Now copy this for the second player as well. Player 2. Okay. Now we need to get the root parts. 1, character 1. Wait for child. No, find first child. Central on the server. First child, humanoid root part. And the root 2 will be the second player's root. Now what we're going to use for the rope is a rope constraint. Yeah, a rope constraint. So it's basically a in-game made rope already. So rope constraint. We're gonna do rope the attachment. So we need attachments. I forgot to create those. So attachment 1 will be in the first character. So instance a new attachment 1, the parent equals root 1, attachment 1, the visible equals true, attachment 1, the enabled or something like that. So I forgot something. Wait. Yeah, I think that's it. Yep. That's for the first player. Copy it. Attachment 2 for the second player. So root 2. Now, set the root constraint. We're going to do attachment 0 equals attachment 1. Rope the attachment 1 equals attachment 2. This is going to connect the root parts of the players. Now, let's define our length. So we create 2 variables for length and our width. Rope.length equals rope length. That's simple. Rope.width this thickness, right? Rope.thickness, not width. Rope width. Also, you need to define this as well. Rope.restitution. What this is you can read about it right here. elasticity of the attachments connected by the constraint when reaching the maximum defined length. So the elasticity. Rope not visible, true, rope parent. You can add this parent to any of the root parts. I'm going to do root 1. Go. And rope. No, don't anchor it. Don't anchor it. Now here, gonna say players dot player added connected to function player next player dot character added connected to function as well character, and here what we're going to do is create another function called check if can. We're gonna do local players so get players. If the number of players is better or equals to 2, then what we're going to do is create a rope for the players number 1, players number 2. This was what's going to create the ropes for us. Players number 2. And we can also, now we use this function. Here, check that, use this function. And here, check added. After check added, you need to call it again. So if we test this with how to test this now, if you see, I go inside here. I'm only the first player, so I'm only one player. To test this in 2 player, you need to go in here, test, and server and clients. Select the player amount you want. I want 2 because 2 ropes, 1 rope. So we have error here. Oh yeah, make sure this is the hashtag. And now we run it. This actually opens 2 clients for us. Here we go. So it doesn't work. Let's check why. Restitution is not a valid member of RopeConstraints. Okay. Let's fix this real quick. Restitution is a valid member. Okay, I think we just removed this. Okay. There we go. We have a rope with the length. If I try to move away, I can't because this is attached to another player. So if the other player is not following me, I can't move. There we go. It works. But if you go into your server here and your player and their human rope part, you're gonna see that there's 2 rope constraints. So this causes a lot of lag. Fix this. I'm gonna go in here and check if we already have a root inside the root 1 rope constraint. So find first child, which is a rope constraint. Then find first child, which is a rope constraint, destroy. Also, our attachments are made being twice, so we can do it again. Root 2, which is a attachment. If we find it, we're gonna destroy it. The same for the root 1. Alright. Now let's run it. Oh, wait. No. So attachment 1.name, we're just removing every attachment from the player. So we don't need to do that. Rope attachment. We go do this. Find for child. Rope attachment. Find for child. Boom, boom. Rope attachment. Boom, boom. Let's test it now. We were just removing all the attachments from the human rope part. My god. Okay. Yeah, the visibility is not on. Right. We just set that to true and we're good. Also turn this off. We don't need to see the attachments. Rope dot visible equals true. There we go. Now do this. There we go. You have a rope. You can adjust its length from the script, and you can do everything with it. Create a module, create a script like mine, or this is very useful for a lot of games, like 2-player games. So thank you for watching, and the next tutorial I'll probably do the ability tutorial again. So have a good day, guys, and make sure to subscribe, like the video, and join my Discord in the bio or in the description. And bye.